Alright, welcome back to practice L002 part 2, alright? Balance lesson 3.4. So we go to number 9. Okay. Number 9. Number 9 is a number line that asks you which of the following must be true again. So to give the number lines. So it's negative 1, and the number line longer. Negative 1, 0, and 1. This side is A, B, C, and D. You notice that they tell you C squared less than C, A squared greater than C, B less than 1 over B. A is 1, B is 1 and 2, C is 1 and 3, D is all and is none. Alright, so must be true. So C squared less than C. Look at this, this is the decimal of fractions. If you know that a number greater than 1, you square the number bigger. But in a fraction, your square is always smaller. Like 0.1 squared is 0.01. So 1 is correct. So the one with all 1 is out. Okay, only 1 out. A squared greater than C. C is a fraction. A squared is a negative number that is greater than 1. Negative 1. Smaller than negative 1. After you square it becomes positive. Any number squared becomes positive. It doesn't mean it's positive or negative. If you square it becomes positive. So that means less than negative 2. You square it becomes 4. 4 is definitely greater than C. So 2 is there. So no 2 is out. So you left plus 1. B less than 1 over B. So you can change the B squared less than 1. But B squared less than 1, is it make sense? Let's see. This is a fraction part, negative fraction. After you square it, is always positive. But positive, but can it be more than 1? Yes, it's never greater than 1. So this answer is correct. So 1, 2, and 3, the answer is D. Yeah? Number 10. And then again, which of the statement must be true again? So do 1 is AD greater than B, 2 AB greater than AD, and 3 1 over A greater than 1 over B. A is 2 only, B is 1 and 2, C is 2 and 3, D is all, and E is none. Okay. So AD greater than B, A times D. The negative times the positive is always negative. B is negative. But these are more negative. Right? Let's say negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 is over there. So it's always smaller than B. So 1 is out. So 1 is out. Number 2, let's just check 3 because 2 is obviously is either one correct. So check 3 is right now. So I can do cross multiply. B greater than A in this case. So is B greater than A? Yes, B is greater than A. Right? So if you don't believe, you plug in A equal to negative 2. 1 over negative 2. So B equal to negative 1 over 2. So negative 2. Negative 1 over 2 is greater than negative 2. That's correct. Right? So 3 is correct. So if 3 is correct, that means this is the only answer. This now. Right? So straightforward, right? Let's continue with question 11. 11. Y minus 3 squared equals 16. So what is the smallest possible value of y squared? Smallest possible value. So we will do y minus 3 equal to positive negative 4. Negative 4 or 4. Why? When you do square root of both sides, the other side must be plus or minus 1. Was 4 squared equal to 16. Negative 4 parentheses inside. Okay, square is also 16. So you do the square root of 16 should be positive or negative 4. So y equal to negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1 or 4 plus 3 is 7. So y squared can be 1 or 49. So what is the smallest possible? Smallest possible is 1. Right? Number 12. Okay. If x represents the sum of the 10 greatest negative integers, and y represents the sum of the 10 least positive integers, which of course must be true. X plus y less than 0, y minus x equal to 2y, 3, x squared equal to y squared. A is none, B is 1, C is 3, D is 1 and 2, and E is 2 and 3. Again, x is the sum of the greatest 10 negative integers. Negative means that it's negative 1 to negative 10. X. Y is the smallest 10 positive, 1 to 10. Now, if add this up, should be equal to 0, right? X plus y. We cancel each other. So 1 is out. 1 is out. Now again, I have 3, so I just need to check 2. Y minus x equal to 2y. So this positive minus negative. Think about this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. Minus the negative 1, negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 10. So you see this is y. Minus, you take out the negative on each one. Negative 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is also a 1. So actually x is actually equal to negative 1 when you think carefully. And then you add them up. Right? X equal to negative 1. So y minus negative 1. So you should have 2y. So this is correct. So if 2 is correct, then 3 is correct. Right? So very straightforward. So that is E. Number 13. A squared plus b cubed times c greater than 0, which often must be true again. Now, so you notice that in this case, you know this is always positive. So you cannot do anything. So this, you can break this to a squared times b squared times b times c greater than 0. Obviously, because these two are positive, so nothing can do. So b times c must be greater than 0. So only choice is b times c greater than 0. A and b does. A you know, b you know. So that is 1 on A. Very straightforward. You see this type of question. Take away all the possible positive. Square, take out the square. If this power 4, power is 5, take out the power 4 because power 4 is always positive. Power 6 is always positive. Power 8 is always positive. That means all the even power will make the number positive and those are meaningful. Because when you do the square root of root of 4 or root of 6 or root of 7, root of 8, root of 10, root of all the even roots, you get a positive and negative number of choices. So you have 2 possible choices. So A squared and B squared is always positive, so you don't need to worry about it. So you left PC greater than 0. Alright? So number 14. A squared b cubed c 5 is negative less than 0. Means that negative is less than 0. So you take out the a squared because positive, take out b squared is positive, take out c4 is positive, so you have b times c less than 0. So b times c is less than 0. So always negative is bc, that is a again. 15. 7 concepts, 13, 14, 15. A cannot be equal to 0. Which one must be true? Negative a squared equal to a squared minus 2a squared. Number 1. So negative a squared inside parentheses, so it's a plus a squared. This one minus, it become a squared. So this is wrong. 1 is wrong. So choice A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 1, 3, and E is 2, 3. So since 1 is out, so this is out, this is out. Now 2. A minus B equal to negative B minus A. So this is possible because it's negative B multiplied A equal negative B plus A. Negative times negative is positive, so it's the same. So 2 is correct. So now we have 2 is out. So third one, C. A greater than negative A. Also, I don't know that if A is positive or negative. They just tell you A is not equal to 0. So this one you're not sure because this could be true. Not necessarily must be true. If the question asking could be true, then this is one of the choices. But they say must be true, this is out. So answer is 2 on. Does it make sense? Okay, let's continue with the last 2 questions in reading. So number 1, write in p squared equal to 16, q squared equal to 36. They want to find the largest possible of q minus p. Maximum. So that's means you're looking for q maximum minus p minimum. Q maximum, because q squared equal to 36. When you square root of both sides, you should get a positive 6 and negative 6. Maximum is positive 6. Minus p squared, p minimum. P squared is 16, so p can be negative 4 or 4. The minimum is negative 4. So the answer is 10. Number 2. Negative 4 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2, and y equal to 1 minus x squared. They want to find what number is obtained when the smallest possible value of y is subtracted from the largest value of y. Y maximum minus y minimum. So let's say what is y maximum. So you can try 2. Put a 2 in. 1 minus 4. So it's negative 3. Put the negative 4 in. 1 minus 16 equal negative 15. And then if I put a 0 in, you put a 0 in, 1. Right? You put the 1 in, is 0. So technically, the maximum will be the 1, the minimum will be negative 15. So normally when you test something with square, you test the last two, the endpoints, and the 0. Because if you notice that when you do x squared, it doesn't matter where you go from negative 3 to 3. So you see in the middle there is 0, they have something like this, parabola, upside down. So it depends on, in this case, negative is the other side, so the 0 is the maximum. Be careful, when you do something with x squared, plug in the first number and the last two endpoints with the end is 0. These three numbers must be plugged in to check the answer. We will have a topic about the x squared in the future, maybe in the 8 or 9 classes, right? So, you notice that the maximum is 1, the minimum is negative 15. So you should have a 16 as answer. Right? So we finished the part 2 of this part. Now we continue with the next part of SAT type problems. Right? The number lines. Alright, I'll see you later.